We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the floating shelves for bedside shelf accessories organizer from the JiuYouZhi store. These shelves are designed to enhance your room's aesthetic while offering practical storage solutions, especially for bedrooms and bathrooms. They feature a Nordic style and are made of waterproof plastic wood, which makes them suitable for various environments, including bathrooms and bedrooms. The product measures 4.72 inches in depth, 12.6 inches in width, and 13.39 inches in height, making it compact yet spacious enough for bedside essentials. It comes with traceless nails and screws for mounting, and assembly is required but straightforward. Users appreciate the ease of installation, noting that it can be assembled in about 10 minutes without the need for additional tools. The shelf pieces connect using small rubber circles that stretch, providing a surprisingly sturdy hold despite the seemingly simple construction. This makes the shelf a convenient option for those who want a quick and tool-free setup. One reviewer shared how the shelf was a perfect solution for their unique situation involving a dog bed that obstructed the use of a traditional bedside table. The floating shelf hangs beside the bed and holds items like a phone charger, Kindle, glasses, and sleep headbands, keeping everything within easy reach and improving their nighttime routine. The shelf is praised for its practical design and aesthetic appeal. Its Nordic style adds a modern and elegant touch to any room, transforming walls into functional art pieces. The waterproof feature is an important benefit for bathroom use, ensuring durability in humid environments. Customers have found it useful not only for bedrooms, but also for organizing small items in studies or bathrooms, making it a versatile storage solution. However, some users have pointed out that the material feels a bit thin and may not seem very sturdy at first glance. This has led to a few concerns about long-term durability, especially if heavier items are placed on the shelf. Despite this, the overall feedback remains positive, with many emphasizing the shelf's utility and the convenience it brings to small spaces. The lightweight design at just over 1 pound makes it easy to handle and mount without hassle. The shelf is ideal for singles, students, tenants, or anyone looking to maximize their room decor with practical storage. It is especially beneficial for those with limited space or unusual furniture arrangements. The included mounting hardware, such as traceless nails and screws, helps maintain wall integrity while providing secure installation. The shelf's ability to hold everyday essentials close at hand enhances comfort and organization in personal spaces. In summary, the floating shelves for bedside shelf accessories organizer by JiuYouZhi offer a blend of style and functionality. They are easy to assemble, versatile in use, and add a modern aesthetic to your room. While the material may feel light, the shelf performs well for holding typical bedside items and is a smart choice for those needing extra storage without sacrificing style. We encourage anyone who owns this product to leave their own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description and can support this channel if you decide to purchase. Overall, this shelf is a practical and attractive addition to any modern home looking to improve organization and decor.